Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make a coconut based lamb curry, Indian style, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there and I'm using coconut oil. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 star anise, 4 green cardamom and 2 dried red chili. Just gonna throw that around in this oil for about 60 to 90 seconds. We're on an above medium heat. So we've really just infused that oil. Don't ever skip this step, it's really important. We're now gonna get our lamb. Now here's my lamb. Cut it into kind of smallish little pieces. Now this is like 99% just lamb. There's a couple of few rib bones in there, but it's nearly all just meat. There's about 3 cups there in volume, or about 500 grams, 600 grams, which is about a pound or so. What we're going to do is we're going to go for 7 or 8 minutes stirring this and stirring it and stirring it to get it on its way. Fabulous. Now 2 cups of onion. I'm using red onion and I've sliced mine. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. I'm also going to add some salt and fresh chilies. Now I'm going to put my hot chilies in whole. I've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can adjust that if you want, maybe put less. And again, if you want, you can chop them in. I just like them in like that. We're going to go for another 7 or 8 minutes. Again, we're going to be stirring fairly often, and we are on a fairly lively heat as well. Great stuff. So let's have a look now. Spices. We've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. In that goes. By the way, I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. Some of you may be interested in that. We're going to give this a little mix in. Next up, we're going to be adding some coconut milk and we're going to add some water. So we're going to add 400 ml of coconut, 100 ml of water. We're then going to put this on a low heat, so not a simmer, but just above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this and we're going to let it go for 25 to 30 minutes and we're going to stir it every now and then. If it dries out at all, you can top it up with either water or more coconut. Okay, off goes the heat. We'll take a look now. So this should have darkened very much in colour. Well, I can see that through there, and it should have kind of separated out a little bit, the oil. Yeah, that's really delicious. Now you can go a bit more if you want, but my meat's nice and tender there. It's really good. I've just checked it. But yeah, cook it a little bit more. You can cook this right down and it will really become fairly oily with the coconut oil and the any fat from the lamb. Check it for salt. Job done. Delicious. A really beautiful, simple, lovely, delicious, fantastic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Right, we're going to make lamb curry today, Indian style. It's very simple. It's really delicious. Fall off the bone. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So what we're looking at here is 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of lamb or mutton. Nice meat, a little bit of fat, plenty of bone. It's not the best quality of lamb ever, but we're gonna make it really, really good. So you can see that I've just added that meat to a larger mixing bowl. I've got 3 cups here of tomato. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. We're gonna add 1 cup of onion. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of oil. You can use any oil that you want. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt, pepper, and garam masala powder. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of what I always call the big 4, chili powder, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. And then for the fresh chili today, I'm going with a Scotch bonnet or a habanero. This is extremely, extremely hot, but got lovely flavor. I'm just gonna crush it in my hand, and in it goes. You can see I've got a glove on, and especially because we've got that in there, you don't wanna be touching your face after that. I'm gonna go in, give it a little mix. So in my pan there, I've got a little bit more oil, maybe a couple more tablespoons. And we're gonna be adding 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and we just need to let them do their thing in that little bit of oil just for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. That's just going to really infuse the oil, so don't skip this step. Next up, we're going to drop in our mutton or lamb mixture. It all goes in. We're on a medium heat. Let me just grab all of the contents out there. Medium heat, and I want you to go for 15 minutes. Now look, let's just talk about this guy again. I'm using this today because I just want that beautiful flavor. They are extremely hot, but the flavor is fantastic. If you don't want to use that, you could use regular green chilies, which are slightly less powerful. 15 minutes, stirring fairly often. So you can see that this is coming along really nicely. Most of the tomatoes have broken down and give us that little masala. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just get some water. We're going to completely cover it like that. We're now going to get a lid on that, turn this down to a nice low heat, to a simmer, and let it go for 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so look, I've just turned the heat up now to high. Now that was actually about 40 minutes that went for, so check your meat, make sure it's tender. It's now tender. And then a nice high heat, big blast for about 5 minutes, just to reduce it down and get a lovely looking masala. Okay, that's looking absolutely fabulous. You know, just a few minutes to let it evaporate out a little bit, because it's a bit watery. Now, just to let you know that if your lamb or your mutton was still tough after that 30 or 40 minutes, go again. Just stick the water in again and go again. Off goes the heat, check it for salt, cilantro or coriander, beautiful, well done. And there you have it, great with rice, great with bread like chapati or roti or something like that, paratha maybe. Just very, very, very good. Nice and tender, tender, tender. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.